Eco Skip function will immediately skip you into or out of Eco mode. This function can only be used when the Eco light is flashing and your cooker is in the timed Eco setting. To access the Eco Skip function, you push and hold the Eco button, and you'll see on the bottom oven it's now flashing off or skip. To turn the skip function on, press and hold the power button on the bottom oven here. You'll see that we were in full power mode, but now it's advanced into the Eco settings, and it will still wake up at the next scheduled time in your timed Eco settings. The Eco Skip function can also work if you're in Eco mode and want to cook more quickly on one morning whilst remaining in the timed Eco settings. You can push and hold the Eco button and then use the skip function to bring it out of Eco mode early. This overrides all of your delay settings, so the hot plates will be operational within about 25 minutes and the other ovens should be up to full temperature within 40 minutes to an hour. The cooker will then go back into Eco mode as per your scheduled timed Eco settings.